Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
covering assisting someone who is unqualified to practice medicine, to treat a patient, or to examine a patient to do a procedure. All these is infamous conduct. Even to examine a patient or to do a procedure to treat a patient, every doctor requires medical skill and required education. Sex determination of fetus is an infamous conduct. Issuing false certificates is also infamous conduct.
thank you and thank you for watching.